Here are 3 reasons you're not getting cells. You're mixing up cell additive and cell activator. These are 2 separate methods and they're never actually used at the same time. Cell additives like silicone oil are usually oils you add to one or a few of your colors. And from there, you kind of have flexibility in what to do with them. But you usually need to apply some heat to bring the cells to the surface. A cell activator, on the other hand, is a recipe. It must be the top layer and it always creates these geometric looking clusters. Unlike cells that can appear individually or on their own, lacing, which is the effect you see here, always clusters the cells together. You don't need heat to create it, but you must spread the top layer so it sinks to create these patterns. You're using ready-to-pour paints in a recipe that uses normal paints. So recipes will always use a pouring medium and an acrylic paint. The thing is, ready-to-pour paints are already a combination of that. So if you replace the regular paint with ready-to-pour paints in a recipe, it's like putting a packet of 3-in-1 instant coffee into your espresso machine and then adding milk and sugar and diluting that more. What you have in the end is a diluted mess that doesn't carry enough pigment to behave correctly. You're not using heat. So the stickier the pouring medium you're using, the more heat you need to bring the silicone oil cells to the surface. This is due to the surface tension of the pouring medium that you're using. You'll find that glue is the biggest culprit in this case, but you'll still encounter this issue regardless of the pouring medium you're using, so have a kitchen torch on hand for this purpose. If you enjoyed this content, it came straight out of my Acrylic Pouring for Beginners online course. This is a self-paced course that you can access at any time, and it'll teach you everything about my process, including the recipes and the science and the color theory, everything you need to know. I'll leave a link to that below in the comments.